fortunes back to the Congress. Our correspondent Aisha Khanam accompanies him during his election campaign.
Superstar of Telugu cinema and Union Minister Chiranjeevi has been playing the star campaigner for Congress. He has been campaigning in Vijayawada and in the Simandra region in full swing.
Telugu screen idol Chiranjeevi starts his campaign for the Congress from this hotel in Vijayawada, and he goes on a roadshow across Vijayawada, explaining to people the importance of the bifurcation and explaining to them why it was necessary to bifurcate the state.
Chiranjeevi's campaign begins at 9 a.m. at Vijayawada in Bhavani Nagar. It's a residential area with a mix of religious minorities, where Chiranjeevi continues his campaign with a skull cap and addresses the people as one among them.
It is not an easy task for Chiranjeevi to woo the people in the Simandra region after the bifurcation. A lot is at stake for the Congress in the Simandra region, but Chiranjeevi takes up the responsibility of winning over the people to the Congress.
7 years ago, Chiranjeevi started Praja Rajyam, a political party in the state of Andhra Pradesh. At its launch, he stated that social justice was the main agenda of his party. Chiranjeevi's agenda has now changed from social justice to Modi bashing. On February 6, 2011, Chiranjeevi merged the 30-month-old Praja Rajyam party with the Indian National Congress. Chiranjeevi's star appeal crosses all party lines. Lanes get jammed where Chiranjeevi fans line up to capture a picture of him.
Chiranjeevi's road shows are showstoppers. Wherever Chiranjeevi's convoy passes by, people gather around him like fans. They come to have a glimpse of their superstar Chiranjeevi. And Chiranjeevi is trying to make use of this situation to save the Congress in this region, in the Simandra region. The candidates in Simandra region who are campaigning take rest during that particular time when the temperature is about 45 degrees. Chiranjeevi also campaigning at Vijayawada took some time off, and he is now taking rest at the hotel here, and this is the time where he interacts with the media and he talks to the media. Modi wave, there is a Modi factor working across the state even after bifurcation.
Modi wave is a superficial. Among the youngsters, he could create some kind of fiction, and that too with the help of social media. And I don't think it is a made up. It is not a Modi model. It is a made-up model. And see, the stars, the pop stars, the film stars, the Hollywood stars, they'll spend crores to build up their image. And he's also seeking, I heard, some Israel company.
Is Rahul Gandhi's charisma here? Do you see people accepting after the bifurcation? Because people blame Congress for the bifurcation.
No, this blame and all these things that as I was telling, it is not from the people. It is leaders who instigated. So it is not long-standing. It will not sustain. And the reality people will realize one day. And Rahul Gandhi and all these people, they are not power mongers.
So there is a very interesting equation here. Your brother Pawan Kalyan is attacking Congress. He says Congress hatao. You say Congress bachao. So how do you Congress bachao, and how will he succeed in Congress hatao?
So I've been telling to public when my brother, of course, it is unfortunate, but even then everybody will have their own way of approaching for the benefit of the public in a different. Our aim is one, but in a different ways. So I don't criticize on that.
Do you see Jagan Mohan Reddy as a chief minister?
I don't think so. I don't think so. Definitely, people are so smart.
Chiranjeevi's afternoon campaign is again on the streets of Vijayawada with the candidates along with his side. He campaigns as the crowd at Krishnalanka area goes berserk with the joy of seeing their screen idol. Roads blocked, traffic jams, and it is Chiranjeevi all the way. From atop the campaign vehicle, he also delivers some popular dialogues of his movies, which conveys that he's their man. He'll be doing anything to give them the same affection. He also promises that Vijayawada will be made into a world-class capital to bring justice to the people.
Chiranjeevi, do you think you'll be able to convert them into your vote bank?
Of course, this kind of euphoria, this kind of fringiness is not new to me.
And the campaign goes on till dawn as women, children follow Chiranjeevi along the way.
Chiranjeevi thus has a tough challenge ahead. He has to face strong leaders like Chandrababu Naidu, Jagan Mohan Reddy and Kiran Kumar Reddy in Andhra Pradesh. And it remains to be seen if Chiranjeevi will be able to convert his fan following into the votes for Congress party, and will Chiranjeevi be able to shoulder the responsibility of bringing back Congress to Andhra Pradesh and to Telangana. Aisha Khanam, DD News, Vijayawada.